Hey, I just wanted to do a follow-up video for the January challenge. It's unreal. And thank you so much. I never expected such a beautiful turnout. First of all, there's such a variety of people. There's so many. We're all different, and it's so lovely to see that on video. It's nice to put faces to names that I sometimes see. It's amazing to hear the variety of music. Again, my hope in doing this challenge was I always hover around these keys. Hearing your challenges, I made some notations. It's wonderful, to see different instruments. Some of you did the challenge with a left hand. I love that. Some of you with a right hand. I love that some of you did it with other people. Mia and Nick and Lindsay. It was so cool to see you doing the exercise because it showed me that what I do is similar. I also struggle, just like you sometimes did. Some of you, like Edna, had to do your exercise 5 or 6 times before I actually got it. You had a beautiful kind of exercise that was... It wasn't that. It was beautiful and cryptic. I wanted to share some of what I did with some of your exercises. Again, I love it. Thank you for doing this. I hope you find use in it too, and I think you did from some of the comments. So what I did with some of the exercises, I'm just going to play a little bit with, I'm going to play them back. This is John's exercise. I played along with your exercises. If they were straightforward enough, I tried to harmonize with them. So this is what I did. This is... Da, 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 right? So, right? So this one I actually played along to. I came up with a melody just because, John, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna play it back. Let's try it together. I'm going to try harmonizing with it. So what am I doing there? Once I know the melody that you're playing, I'm trying to do that easy major third. So John's melody. I'm doing... It's like he's playing a melody and next some extra fingers. I did the same with... I'm just looking to see... Oh, Dawn's melody. Beautiful.
Hello, this is my January challenge.
Right? Right, we can make whole melodies. Anyways, this is what I did. This is what I did, just... So it's kind of nice to be able to play with you, to pause you, because they're such simple melodies and straightforward. It was nice to try and put a rhythm to them. It was nice to, again, rewind. Don, you have great sense of timing. Yeah, I love that. So again, thank you, Doug. It was so nice to see the slight variations that you had on a melody. Again, Doug had a melody that was straightforward. I think it was in C major. But then you changed it up a little bit, and it came up with a whole new melody. So again, like you said in your video, just a few notes multiplied a few times makes an entire song. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. I'll leave a link in the description. And to those of you that posted, thank you. I hope you find the February challenge just as interesting. Thank you.